You're Harry Potter?
Whoa, sir. You're not want to listen to me?
He tried to kind of a little bit.
It's fine. You don't want to listen to me, buddy. That's right, buddy.
Oh, hi guys.
That's right.
Hey, you like big?
Shadow fish from San Diego.
Wait, no, guys!
No. Wait.
No, that's it. Okay, we can talk to them now, right? We can talk to them.
We're going down.
Oh, thank you, Logan. Boom boom. Taka. Boom boom.
Welcome to the underground.
Actually, yeah, he's dead.
Long live the king.
I got him on the wrong foot. I got no emotes. I don't know why it's
Welcome to the underground.
at the same time. No,
Michael, don't leave me here. Michael. Michael, don't leave me here.
I'm gonna throw this out. Look.
Did bro seriously just get spanked by his own boomerang?
I'm gonna save you. You're not gonna fall.
No, I won't let you win this, Logan. It's over. I've already won. With the power of determination, I will stop you.
You want to kill me?
No, I don't.
No. The first one. Hey. No. Not instantly this time.
Yeah. This
What's
one
the
I will
forbidden
use.
activity?
This one. Kill me!
I don't think that's possible.
But I want you better.
I want to be bacon. I don't want to be bacon. How are we still knocked out? Myself a fish.
Yes.
Yay.
If you want me.
Plan banana.
Exactly. I'm gonna feel everything.
I'm gonna get kicked on it. Carpat, save me.
You're not safe yet.
Carpat, save me.
I'm just falling.
Man, look at your
I just tripped on a banana. Please stop!
Oh.
Oh, I got.
Welcome to the underground.
No, please.
Whoa, we can talk about this. We can talk about it. No, please.
No. Wait.
I couldn't do anything. I was knocked out. Close it in, but hold the lever. Okay, I hate you, Logan. Not gonna lie.
How much?
Okay, peace trading. No, I accept it. Bread, please. Bread.
Welcome